So here I have a Slava Russian military stopwatch, chronometer, and this chronometer was developed for the Russian space program in the 1960s, and later on in the 80s also available for the public. It has 20 jewels, 3 buttons, according to internet 36,000 vibrations per hour, and yeah, it's in a fantastic condition. I don't recognize any scratches on the glass or. And yeah, there's a wind. Here's a start button, lap, and stop, and then it goes back and back. Let's see if the sound on the microphone. Yeah, probably you can hear it. So lap, and again, stop, and back. Yeah, this is a key to open the back. And the wooden box here. Thank you for watching.